Hi guys, it's Sam with FilterGrade, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on focus peaking on your Canon R5C. With your camera on, you're going to click this menu button here. With that menu tab pulled up, you are going to move to this tab over here. It is that focus peaking signaling tab. From here, you're going to move to the second, and you will see peaking LCD, peaking VF, and peaking HDMI. To turn these on, you're going to toggle over them, press it, and you can turn that on. For the LCD, it's going to show up on your camera monitor here. For the VF, it is for viewfinder. It will pop up in your camera viewfinder here with the camera turned on. And the HDMI is so that if you have an outsourcing monitor, you will be able to see the focus peaking on that monitor as well. After turning them on, you can change the color of this peaking one here if it is telling you to source from the peaking one tab, which is right here. You can change the color from white, red, yellow, or blue. I usually go with red. You can change the gain and the frequency here, which changes the intensity of that peaking. And then once you go back to your camera, you can see that the focus peaking has been turned on and those red lines appear. Now let's change that focus peaking to blue so you can see what that looks like. And back in your menu tab, you can click that peaking one, change the color to blue. You can see in the faded background, you can see the color has changed. You can drop that gain if you want to change the intensity, and you're seeing that it's a little bit lighter and the frequency down to 2. Now if you go back, you can see that it's still there, but it is a bit more faint, and it is blue. That's about it. If you have any questions about focus peaking or anything else with the Canon R5C, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.